Class, Dr. Miller here. Welcome to week 5 of HTHS 110. If you are missing any work from weeks 1 through 4, I encourage you to please submit it as soon as possible so that we can get your scores updated and we can see where you're sitting as far as being successful in the course. Your grades for week 4 will be posted no later than Thursday night. And let's look ahead now to week 5. Now, week 5, you have a few graded activities plus your lecture on healthcare costs and healthcare financing. You're going to want to complete that lecture material first to build your foundation for the week. Also, don't forget to download the Word document version of it to save for later. Then you have your discussion. During the lecture, the focus was on the relationships between cost and access and cost and quality. And as we have previously mentioned, cost, access, and quality go hand in hand, and altering one impacts the others. And that is what we call the triangle, right? So if you change one of those three elements, it's going to impact the other two. So it is a very careful balancing act. So we want to consider the information we've covered in previous lecture and this lecture to address these two prompts in your discussion. First, identify and describe which of the three factors, cost, access, or quality, is the most important. That may be difficult. Explain how you address or alter one of the factors to further improve the healthcare system. Now, we want to make sure that we're participating in the discussion board no later than Wednesday. I want to make sure you've got enough time in the week to have an opportunity to earn full credit by participating over 3 separate days. And don't forget to respond to at least 3 of your classmates' initial posts. And also take a look at if has anybody responded to you on your thread. So what are your other work that you have to do? You have your week 5 quiz that's on the lecture materials. And then you have the patient scenario assignment. And this assignment is going to be a part of your e-portfolio, right? So your group of assignments that demonstrate that you've met the institutional and program outcomes. So this is an important one. Let's take a look at the instructions. So this one is worth 10% of your grade for the course. And you have an outcome, a course outcome, but even also important, you have a program outcome, which is to demonstrate the ability to communicate with all stakeholders in a proficient and professional manner. So when you're done and you upload this to your e-portfolio, you're going to want to make sure that you are attaching this assignment to that outcome. So you have 3 scenarios that you're going to be addressing. In the first scenario, you're going to choose what you think is the best response to the patient. Interaction in the following scenario. After choosing the best response, you are going to explain why you feel this is the best response. So that is this scenario here. And then you've got A or B to choose and explain why. Then you have 2 more scenarios, scenarios 2 and 3. In those cases, you're going to be creating your response and why you answered it the way you did. You are going to use the template that is here in the instructions. And just for your information, here's the grading rubric, what I'm going to be using when I am evaluating your submission. So you can do it right here in this template and then upload it. Okay. The spot where you are going to upload it is right here. So you've got your submission and then you're uploading it to your e-portfolio. Here under this link here, you've got the directions, and here's a link here. for more information on how to upload, right? So if you have any questions or concerns during the week, don't hesitate to reach out to me, and I will see you in the discussion.